Twilight is light from the out-of-sight sun that reaches you by scattering off the atmosphere. When Max's sunbeam hit the Earth, everything from infrared radiation to X-rays would flood into the atmosphere, turning it to plasma. Plasma is relatively transparent to X-rays, so those would pass through and dump their energy into the non-plasma air around it, heating it enough to give off its own substantial thermal radiation. In general, a lot of this radiation would escape into space, where we don't need to worry about it unless it gets reflected back to Earth. Unfortunately, a portion of the radiation would stay within the atmosphere. A bubble of heat and light would wrap around the Earth, a twilight inferno rapidly heating the atmosphere and surface as it went. What's more, much of the matter around the sunbeam's contact point would be blasted into space, where it would reflect infrared light back down beyond the horizon. Exactly how quickly the devastation would make it around the Earth depends on many details of atmospheric scattering, but if the moon happened to be half full at the time, it might not even matter. When Max's device kicked in, the moon would go dark, since the sunlight illuminating it would be funneled into the beam that's destroying the atmosphere. The intense light from the destruction would itself, however, illuminate the moon, and this reflected moonlight alone could be enough to burn you to death, just in time for the incendiary twilight to wrap around the planet, bringing on one final sunrise.